Hello everyone, welcome back to OMG Kiss Me, your go-to channel for dating and relationship tips and advice. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. For all those going through a challenging phase in their marriage separation, we understand that this can be a difficult time, but today we're going to focus on the positive signs that can give you hope during a separation. Remember, reconciliation is possible, and here at OMG Kiss Me, we're here to help you find those glimmers of hope. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with our dating and relationship tips and advice on a regular basis. So let's dive right in. Positive sign number one is effective communication. One of the most encouraging signs during a separation is the presence of effective communication between partners. When a marriage hits troubled waters, communication often becomes strained, and miscommunication can lead to misunderstandings and further complications. However, if you find that both you and your partner are still able to have open, honest, and respectful conversations, it's a hopeful sign that there's still a willingness to work things out. Effective communication during separation involves actively listening to each other without judgment, being vulnerable about your feelings, and expressing your thoughts with clarity and compassion. It may not always be easy, especially when emotions are running high, but being able to voice your concerns and listen to your partner's perspective is crucial for potential reconciliation. This open communication also extends to acknowledging your role in the marital issues. Taking responsibility for your actions and acknowledging any mistakes can demonstrate personal growth and a desire to change for the better. Remember, effective communication is not just about talking, but also about understanding and being understood. When communication is done effectively, it naturally paves the way for another positive sign, which is demonstrating empathy. Let's explore why empathy is vital during a separation and how it can foster hope for the future of your relationship. Positive sign number two is demonstrating empathy. During a separation, emotions can be heightened, and it's easy to become wrapped up in your own pain and frustrations. However, a positive sign to look for is whether both partners can still demonstrate empathy towards each other. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in your partner's shoes, to understand and share their feelings even if you may not fully agree with them. When empathy is present, it opens the door for meaningful conversations that can lead to healing and reconciliation. It allows you to see the impact of your actions on your partner and vice versa. This understanding fosters compassion and creates a space for emotional support during challenging times. Keep an eye on how your partner responds to your emotions and struggles. Do they dismiss your feelings, or do they make an effort to validate and comfort you? On the flip side, examine how you respond to your partner's emotions. Are you receptive and willing to listen, or do you become defensive? Empathy forms the foundation of emotional intimacy, and it plays a crucial role in rebuilding trust. When you both can empathize with each other's pain and genuinely want to alleviate it, it's a positive sign that there's potential for healing and reconnecting. Alongside empathy, another encouraging sign that paves the way for reconciliation is a shared willingness to seek help. Up next, we will explore the importance of seeking professional guidance and how it can strengthen the bond between partners during a separation. Positive sign number three is willingness to seek help. When a marriage is going through a rough patch, seeking help from a trained professional can be a game changer. It's heartening to see both partners demonstrate a shared willingness to seek guidance and support during a separation. This signifies that they recognize the value of the relationship and are committed to working through the challenges together. Professional help, such as marriage counseling or therapy, offers a safe and structured environment to address underlying issues, improve communication, and gain valuable insights into the dynamics of the relationship. It allows both partners to explore their feelings, fears, and aspirations. Taking the step to attend counseling sessions demonstrates that you are invested in finding solutions and are open to personal growth. It shows that you are not giving up on the marriage and are willing to put in the effort to make things better. In therapy, you can learn effective conflict resolution skills, identify patterns of behavior that may be contributing to the separation, and find healthier ways to connect emotionally. A skilled therapist can guide you through this challenging process, providing tools and strategies to rebuild trust and intimacy. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength and commitment to the relationship's well-being. It indicates that you both believe in the possibility of reconciliation and are ready to embark on this journey together. As we focus on building hope during a separation, another positive sign to look for is the willingness to make positive changes. Up next, we'll explore the importance of personal growth and how it can lead to a stronger and more fulfilling relationship. Positive sign number 4 is making positive changes during a separation. One of the most promising signs is when both partners demonstrate a genuine commitment to making positive changes. It's essential to reflect on the past and identify areas that may have contributed to the marital struggles. Taking responsibility for your actions and showing a willingness to change unhealthy behaviors can breathe new life into the relationship. Positive changes can manifest in various ways, from addressing issues of communication and trust to making efforts to rekindle the romance and emotional connection. Small but consistent gestures of love and appreciation can go a long way in rebuilding intimacy and fostering hope. As you embark on this journey of personal growth, remember that it's not about changing who you are, but about becoming the best version of yourself for the sake of the relationship. Encourage your partner's growth as well and celebrate the progress you both make. Positive changes are like building blocks for reconciliation. They lay the foundation for a healthier, more resilient partnership by focusing on self-improvement and being receptive to your partner's growth. You create a conducive environment for healing and rediscovering each other. Another encouraging sign during a separation is when both partners continue to share responsibilities, especially when it comes to aspects like co-parenting and shared finances. Up next, we delve into the significance of shared responsibilities and how they can foster hope for the future of your marriage. Positive sign number 5 is shared responsibilities. When a marriage is going through a separation, it's common for partners to feel distant and disconnected. However, a positive sign that can spark hope is when both individuals continue to share responsibilities, especially in areas like co-parenting and managing shared finances. Maintaining a sense of collaboration, even during challenging times, demonstrates a commitment to the partnership beyond personal differences. When you both work together to ensure the well-being of your children or handle financial obligations, it shows that you still value each other's role in your lives. Shared responsibilities also provide opportunities for communication and cooperation. It allows you to be on the same page regarding important decisions and fosters a sense of teamwork. Moreover, it can prevent further misunderstandings and conflicts, laying the groundwork for potential reconciliation during this period. It's crucial to focus on creating a supportive environment for your family, even if it means setting aside personal grievances temporarily. By prioritizing your shared responsibilities, you cultivate a sense of stability and security, which can positively impact your future together. As we explore signs of hope during a marriage separation, let's now shift our focus to spending quality time together for the next positive sign. We'll discuss the significance of bonding through shared activities and how it can rekindle the sparks of love. Positive sign number 6 is spending quality time together. Amidst the challenges of a separation, finding moments of joy and connection can be incredibly reassuring. One of the positive signs to look for during this time is when both partners make an effort to spend quality time together. Engaging in activities you once enjoyed as a couple can rekindle shared memories and emotions, fostering a sense of intimacy. Quality time allows you to create new experiences and positive associations with each other. It offers an opportunity to temporarily set aside the weight of the issues you're facing and simply enjoy each other's company. Whether it's going for a walk, cooking together, or watching a movie, these shared activities can be the stepping stones toward rebuilding your emotional bond. During these moments, pay attention to how you both interact. Are there glimpses of laughter and genuine happiness? Do you feel a sense of ease and comfort in each other's presence? These are signs that the love and affection you once had for each other still have the potential to flourish. Speaking of love and affection, for our final positive sign, we'll explore the powerful significance of expressing love during a separation. We'll discuss how love can bridge the gaps and offer hope for a brighter future. Positive sign number 7 is expressing love and affection. When a marriage is going through a separation, the emotions can feel overwhelming, and it might seem difficult to express love and affection. However, one of the most powerful signs of hope during this time is when both partners continue to express their love for each other. Love is a fundamental element in any relationship, and even during a separation, its presence can be a guiding light. Expressing love can come in various forms, from verbal affirmations and heartfelt messages to small gestures like hugs, kisses, or even a simple "I love you." These acts of affection remind both partners of the emotional connection they once shared. While it's normal for the intensity of affection to ebb and flow in any relationship, genuine expressions of love can create a bridge between the hearts of two people who might be feeling distant. It offers reassurance and a reminder that the love you have for each other still exists and has the potential to grow. It's essential to communicate your feelings honestly and openly, even if it feels vulnerable. Love has the power to heal wounds and bring comfort during difficult times. When both partners continue to express their love and affection, it serves as a beacon of hope for a possible reconciliation. As we conclude our discussion on positive signs during a marriage separation, we want to emphasize that every relationship is unique, and the journey towards reconciliation may differ for each couple. The signs we've explored today are not guarantees of a reunion, but offer hope and possibilities for healing and growth. Remember, during a separation, it's vital to focus on self-reflection, communication, and personal growth. Seek professional help if needed, and be open to the changes that can lead to a stronger partnership. If you or someone you know is going through a separation, remind them that hope exists even in challenging times. Share this video with others who might find it helpful, and let's support one another on the path to healthier relationships. Thank you all for watching.